Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the best printing company to use in 2024 for your print-on-demand products. The company I have used for the past 2 years to fulfill multiple six figures of orders from my Etsy shop is PRINTIFY. And I have tested quite a few other printing companies, and PRINTIFY is by far the best. We're going to jump into my computer and I'm going to show you everything that they have to offer. Okay, here we are within PRINTIFY. Here are their featured products. They actually have hundreds of products that you can choose from to sell your print-on-demand products on. My go-tos are t-shirts and sweatshirts. I have thousands of 5-star reviews on these. They are really great quality. I have a few myself and I absolutely love them. They have a large variety of different t-shirts that you can choose from. My go-to t-shirt is the Bella Canvas 3001. Within PRINTIFY, there are different providers, different printers to print your print-on-demand products. The main ones that I like to use are Monster Digital and Swift POD. I have actually tried out most of these providers and I like them all. I've never had a problem with any of them, but these are my go-to. Most of my products are all synced up to Swift POD or Monster. Swift POD, for example, I love their color variety. They also offer the bulk discount eligible, branded inserts, neck labels, and gift messages. These are all added perks. You're able to print on the front side, the back side, and even the sleeves, and you're able to add a neck label. This can help you further brand yourself. PRINTIFY is super easy to use. You just go to My Device and add in your graphic. You can easily scale it to fit best. And you can come up here and preview how it looks. You can also come over here and select any of the other colors that you would like to add your design to. We're going to come over to catalog. My other favorite is sweatshirts. I like to sell the Gildan 18,000, but they also offer a great variety of other sweatshirt brands as well. Let's take a look at mugs. The mugs are great. I mean, look at this price right here. The profit margin for mugs can be huge because the price is so low. And I'm telling you, it is really great quality. This is actually my go-to mug. It's the least expensive one and people have still been very happy with it. I actually have one myself and it's held up for a very long time. Now, the prices are lower on my screen right here because I am signed up with PRINTIFY Premium. PRINTIFY Premium is $24.99 a month, but it's so worth it because it drastically brings down the price of the items up to 20% discount on all products. In my description below, you can find the PRINTIFY link and use code Jenny for your first month free for PRINTIFY Premium. PRINTIFY providers get their items out really, really fast. The production time for this is only about a day, and shipping is going to be about 2 to 7 days. I really love PRINTIFY because they continue to add on new features like the neck labels and the sleeve prints and the express shipping. And also, whenever I've had a problem with an order, they are very quick to help me. They will reprint or refund my order for me if there is an actual defect to the product. If you ever have any questions, you can just come to Snappy here and ask anything below and get your answers right away. I've tried many print providers and PRINTIFY has been my go-to for the last 2 years now. The variety of products is just huge and their quality is really, really great, especially for the prices. My mom actually ordered some of these lamps. I'm going to show you guys a video on that in a few weeks. They are amazing. I could not believe it. I can't wait to show you guys that in a home decor video that's coming out next month. PRINTIFY integrates with all of these sites here. Personally, I am selling on Etsy. I'm currently testing out TikTok Shop, and I do also have a PRINTIFY pop-up store. But with a few simple clicks, you are able to integrate PRINTIFY with these platforms and get set up fairly quickly so that you can automate your print-on-demand business. If this advice helped you, be sure to like that video and subscribe for more print on demand tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.